Guys, welcome back to our channel, Darren and Charla. We made it back to Grenada. We're staying at True Blue Bay for one night. I wanted to show you guys how the resort looks, especially if you're looking for a more affordable accommodation whenever you visit Grenada. So let's get into our suite tour. We're staying in the Tower Suite. So as soon as you walk in through the doors, you have this beautiful bed. I love how they put welcome on the bed. That was so nice. Whenever we came in, they had the AC blasting, which we love because believe it or not, it's December and it's currently 85 degrees outside, so the AC blasting was amazing. This room is very spacious. We walk more, we have a couch area, which is really nice. We have a table area as well. They have a whole kitchen set. I don't really know who's gonna be cooking when they're on vacation, but just in case you wanna cook or you have leftovers that you wanna like heat up, it's totally fine. We have a full fridge. And they gave us some wine as a welcome gift, which I have to make sure that we drink before we leave. Again, the whole kitchen over here, really spacious, really nice. Like this is the Tower Suite. So I highly recommend paying like a couple of dollars more for the suite rather than like the True Blue Bay room, because that room is just a little smaller. Let's go to the bathroom. The bathroom was actually a nice surprise. The bathroom has a separate shower tub combo, which is really nice. And you really only see a separate shower tub combo in a really luxury hotel. So that's nice. The bathroom lighting is impeccable. Like whenever you want to get ready, the lighting is truly so good. They have a nice mirror. They even have like a blow dryer, especially with this curly hair. I need it. I like wet it, condition it. So having a built-in blow dryer is really nice. Now, the main focus of this whole room is the outdoors because it's called the Tower Suite. Both these spiny stairs and it's a beautiful view, but it's nighttime now. So I'm gonna show you guys in the morning how it looks, but overall highly recommend the resort. Really good authentic food, and we'll show you guys what we have tonight and also what we have for breakfast. We have the pork spare ribs, the rice and peas, and that good old jerk chicken. Wow, look at this plate. Everything looks so amazing, so good. You want to try grapefruit? I haven't tried it. This is the coconut base. Yeah, but what's that? This one has fried grapefruit. I know, I never tried it before. I want to try it. What it tastes like? There's something similar to chips. Chips? Yeah. Oh, that's good. So what's super cool in the Tower Suite is that they have these stairs, and I'll show you guys where officially checking out of True Blue Bay. It was such a pleasant stay, and like the room was super clean, like comfortable bed. I'm so shook right now. I slept really good. Yeah, the grounds are really nice. A lot of vegetation. Charlotte's scared of all the lizards. I am not scared. I actually haven't seen very many, which I'm so happy about, but I'm not scared. But just a little quick tour before we actually get out of here. Show them where they did yoga. So this is the yoga studio. It's actually up here. They did it this morning. It was so nice. I wanted to join.
Yeah. And you can see how we got to walk down this hill. And our room was up there. We walked down the hill. A lot of directions, so you shouldn't get lost. So this is the lobby area that we're coming down to. Look, sustainability. They collect plastic.
Oh, I know. I'm about to get so tan. I'm so excited.
So we're walking down to the lobby to check out. Just get the middle of it. Everything. Yeah, you should definitely you should definitely see the beach area.
Really? Thank you.
And all this.
We love Grenada so much. We had to come back.
This is like the shopping area. Dodgy Dock is down there.
Thank you so much.
We go down more. Let's go down and check it out real quick. These stairs are beautiful. Let me turn and show you.
Now the stairs are really beautiful.
But look at that. Whoever painted this mural, they did an excellent job. So
yes,
nice.
they did really well. The mural is really nice.
All right, this is like a museum of sorts. Then we're going into, this is a shopping area. You can buy some dresses. They have a clothing sale right now.
I know I actually should go in there for some shoes because Darren lost all of my shoes.
This is the kids area. So if you have kids, I have a playground that's in the sand. Really cool.
Do you know how we get to the pool area?
The pool, we passed it up. It's back on over there. We could probably walk through here. I don't know. But this is Dodgy Dock. Let's go take a look at Dodgy Dock.
Dodgy Dock had really good lunchtime food and they have really good drinks. Everything here at True Blue Bay, you guys, is super like affordable. I feel like if you're looking for a spot where you can truly get like a bang for your buck, this is the place. I know a lot of people come sometimes and they're looking for like the local pricing. You know, you get local pricing when everything is in EC.
So we actually came and we had lunch here as well. We sat over here. This is our table. Right here. And then look at this view. I mean, you can't beat the view. I mean, the view is incredible. So that was great. Let's look at Charlotte.
You guys, I'm really obsessed with this view and the breeze that it gets. So walking down the hill, it was a little hot, but now that we're right by the water, it feels so nice. I'm just like so obsessed with the breeze. Honestly, even if you're not staying here, definitely come to True Blue Bay. If you're here on a Wednesday, I highly recommend coming for Food Truck Wednesdays. Last night was so much fun.
All right, so I'm gonna continue on. So when staying here, you get free breakfast. So it's included. And over here, they had the breakfast buffet. Which they had some nice things to eat.
Hi.
I'll insert that clip now for you guys to see the breakfast. They have the water. Golden apple juice is my favorite. They have a whole coffee station. Here they have the bread station. You can make toast. Got some music playing. Cereal. Some plantains, some fruit. This is the buffet station. All the good food they have. Omelets. You can make some waffles. All the different serves. Omelet station. Get some more pink.
Hey guys, so I made it down to breakfast with Darren. I got an omelet with bacon, jalapeno, green onion, some plantain, saltfish, it looks bomb, and some golden apple juice.
Which is really good. But yeah, I was telling them about the breakfast and how it was really good.
The breakfast was so good. That golden apple juice, I'm gonna get us some golden apples and juice it for us, babe, when we get home.
Alrighty.